Hello students, welcome back. Class 10. Today I am discussing our remaining chapters. Chapter 9, MCQ question of chapter 9. This is our part B, and in part B, chapter 6, 7, 8 MCQ question we already discussed, but today I am discussing chapter 9, digital presentation. Okay, so the feature to insert a video on a slide is present in which group of insert tape? We can say media. The loop until stop checkbox is present in which group of playback tape? We can say video options. From which tape may you add a sound clip to the slide and the sound file is in format other than WAV? So we can say insert. Okay, the audio option group include a checkbox titled, we can say, hide whenever not playing, but it hides the icon only when the sound is not playing. The icon is visible when the sound is playing. To insert a table in a slide, which tape must you use? We can use insert. What are the two tapes added on inserting a table with insertion point inside the table, collectively called as, we can say, table tools? Pie and line are types of charts. In which group of insert tape chart option is available? Illustrations. To apply the same transition to all the slide in a presentation, click the apply to all button after you insert a transition. Enter a time period in the duration box to declare how quickly or slowly you want to transition to occur. The tape from which animation can be done is animations. Okay, if you want to add multiple animation to one object, which group contains the command to do so? We can use advanced animation. Which key is used to select multiple object for grouping? Control to select multiple object for grouping. In which group of format tape the group option is available? Arrange. Every slide of the presentation contains this area where you can write whatever notes you point out for yourself and presentation. In which type of PowerPoint is the presentation view group present? View. You should not use goody fonts. Okay, you should not use goody fonts. Use contrasting colors for text and background. Use contrasting color for text and background. Setup slideshow is a part of which tab in PowerPoint? We can say slideshow tab. Under what heading is the presented by a speaker? Full screen present as a part of setup slow. Dialog box slideshow tab. We can use show type. What is the keyboard shortcut to open print interface of PowerPoint? We can use Ctrl+P. Which of the following notation can be used to print all the slides from 3rd to 6? We can use 3rd-6. This is range. 3rd-6. This is range. Now exercise MCQ question. Okay. Chart are colorful because they help to visualize data. Pie chart is useful because it helps to grasp the ratio between contribution. In which tab of PowerPoint slide transition can be set? Transitions. In which tab of PowerPoint custom animation can be set? Animation. What are the two additional tabs that get added on inserting a table in a slide? Design and layout. In which group is the video option available? Media group. Which of the following tabs appear on the inserting an audio file in the slide? Format, playback. Which tab is used to insert a table in the slide? Insert tab. How many tabs appear on inserting a chart in the slide? So 3 tabs will added. Which key is used to group the object on the slide? Control key. Which tab contains the option to group the format on the slide? Format tab. Which group contains the option to insert a chart in the slide? Illustration group. Okay, to insert a chart in this slide. Okay students, so this is our chapter 9 Okay, now I am continuing our chapter 10 and 11 MCQ question also. So our chapter 10 is running email messaging intermediate. Okay, so you can see email services also allow user to manage calendars, contracts and tasks. Both A and B is right. In Outlook, calendar button is available in navigation pane. Keyboard shortcut of accessing a calendar is we can use Ctrl+2. Which of the following is an individual calendar application? We can use Google Calendar. Which of the following views display only 5 working days of week? We can use work week view. Okay. By default, a reminder appears 15 minutes before the appointment start time. Which of the following is a keyboard shortcut to open an appointment window? We can use Ctrl+Shift+N. Which of the following tab appears when you select an appointment? We can use see calendar tools, then appointment. In which of the following window you can create and rename the color categories? Color category window. What will you do to provide others the ability to view your schedules? We can create a calendar, share a calendar. No, this is not neither A or nor B. Okay, this is not. In which group of the home tab the email calendar option is available? Share group. While printing a calendar, you can change the style under settings. On which style will you click to print the complete detail of appointments and meetings? Weekly agenda style. What is the keyboard shortcut to create a new request? We can use Ctrl+Shift+Q. In which of the following tabs meeting option is available? We can use home. Which option is used to send a request to reschedule a meeting directly from a meeting request? We can use propose new time. In which of the following tabs of meeting window respond option are available? We can use meeting. What is the keyboard shortcut to create a new task? We can use Ctrl+Shift+K. You can view the detail of a task in the navigation pane. Which of the following option is not available in task window? Location. In which tab notes can be customized? File tab. And in notes list view we can easily see the content of notes and other detailed information. Notes are used to jot down question, ideas, remember and anything you would write on paper. General automatically record action that you choose which relate to a specific contract and put the action in the timeline view. What is the keyboard shortcut to open a general Outlook data file window? Ctrl+8. Which tab is used to create a general automatically? File tab. Now exercise question. Which view display multiple calendar that are stacked on the top of the another? Scheduled view. You can navigate to another date by using navigation button. To view change default setting of a calendar, you will click first file, then option, then calendar. Which of the following is web-based email service? Gmail. Okay, next question is, on which button will you click to open appointment resource window? Recurrence. What should you type in subject box while scheduling an appointment? Title of appointment. Which of the following statement is true while changing a color for category? Color can be changed for both custom and standard color categories. If you change a color category that is already assigned to item, all of the items that have category assigned are updated to the new name. Which of the following features can be used to share a calendar? Email calendar and publish online. So we can say both A and B. To print a calendar, you will click first file, print and print. All of the response to meetings request appear in okay, so we can say appear in option. Okay, now question 12. Option first is 11 question. Okay, in 11 question option first is right. Okay, option first is right. Now 12 question. Which of the following option is not available in task window? Location. What is the keyboard shortcut to open Notes, Outlook, data file window? Ctrl+5. Which tab is used to create a journal automatically? File tab. Which of the following are the web-based email service? Gmail.com, Yahoo.com, both A and B. Which of the following is not one of the view of the calendar? Year view is not the one of the view of the calendar. In the appointment window, which box show the title of appointment? Subject box. Which group hold the categorize drop down arrow? We can say actions group. Actions group. Which command hold the meeting option in it? New items command. Under the meeting tab, which option used to dismiss the meeting request? Decline option. Okay, now chapter 11, database development basic MCQ question. DBMS stands for database management system. Which of the following is not a DBMS software? MS Word is not a DBMS software. Okay, Oracle and MS Access is our DBM software, but MS Word is our text based application, word processing application. The date time data type hold dates from January 100 to December 31st 1099. Currency numbers are not rounded during calculation and preserve 15 digits of precision to the left of the decimal point, and we can say 4 digits to the right. OL stands for object linking and embedding. A yes no field occupies a single bit of storage. Select, insert, update are command of what language? DML, data manipulation language. Select, insert and update. What kind of language you use to create roles, permissions, referential integrity? We can use DCL, data control language. Which component of Access allowed to navigate through records one at a time? Record navigation bar. It is present at the left corner of the title bar. It contains button for commonly used command. What is this? Quick access toolbar. These are the mini programs that automate custom tasks. They are simple way to get custom result without being a programmer. What are these? We can say macros. Macros are mini programs. Which type of MS Access can be used to create a new table? Create. Which of the following is the default view of Access? Data sheet. The primary key we can say keeps all the tuple distinct. Distinct means we never store duplicate data. Always store unique data. Okay, so we can say tuples are keeps all the tuples distinct. In which of the following types form option is available? Create. The speed form option create the form in the upper half window. In which type of actions query wizard command is present? Create. In which group of create tab query design command is present? We can say queries. In which tab you may set theme, color and font in the themes group? We can use design tab. In which tab you may set a background image to the report? We can use format tab. In which tab you may set margin to the page contain the report? Page setup tab. Now exercise questions. The meaning of entity integrity is that there should be no duplicate row in a table. What is the maximum length of data that can be entered in any text field? 255 characters. The memo data type hold a variable amount of data from 0 to 65,535 characters. A yes no field occupies a single bit of storage. Which of the following is a collection of related records? We can say file is a collection of related records. Which of the following is a DCL command? Grant. Grant is a DCL command. DCL means data control language. Which of the following display all the objects contained in the database? Navigation pane. Which of the following is not a DBMS software? Writer is not a DBMS software. Okay, you know full form of SQL, structure query language. Okay, but the answer of question 8 is writer is not a DBMS software. Okay. The select, insert, update and delete are what types of command? DML command, data manipulation command. Which component Access Windows used to display all the tabs of open object? documents tab bar. Okay students, so dear students, today I am discussing our chapter 9, 10 and 11 MCQ question of internal book inside MCQ question and book exercise questions. Okay, hope you this thing is will give you more benefit to you. Okay students, thank you so much.